Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we show how to use Telegram without phone number. So let's start. First, let's go to Telegram. As you can see, I have this phone number. I was related. We have to add a number for creating a Telegram account. So if you want to do it, let's go to Chrome and then let's write this word that says SMS free. Okay, just click here and then let's go to this option that says receive SMS free. So just click here, and in this page we will have many numbers for receiving SMS. For example, for Netherlands, Denmark, Finland, United States, etc. So you have to select the one that you prefer. In this case, I will select this one from Netherlands. Okay, so just click here, just close the ad. And then when we're here, just copy the font, of course. And then when you copy the font, you will paste on Telegram. Okay, so like this one. Remember the code from Netherlands. And then here you can check that all the messages that are sent. For example, the phone, the code. So let's go to Telegram. And then when we are here on Telegram, just select the country. In this case, it's Netherlands. So let's go to the Netherlands. And here it is. Okay, so we can find it. Okay, here it is. Now let's paste the font. And then let's go click on the blue arrow here. And then just click on confirm. You have to wait a little bit until this is okay. And when this will be accepted, the message will arrive to your page here. Okay, so that is how it works. I hope this helps you a lot. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.